Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. Sino to?
This is Ann Ensho.
Ann Ensho. Where are you calling from, Ann?
I'm from Olongapo.
From Olongapo. Any specific area in Olongapo?
Kami rin from Olongapo
Oo
eh.
nga, from...
Street po.
Saan?
Sa 5th Street.
6th?
5th.
Fifth.
5th Street.
Panglima.
Saan yun?
Ikalima.
Sa...
Fifth Street.
Sa
I think
Banikain?
it's in Istapinac, am I right?
Istapinac?
Istapinac.
Istapinac, Olongapo.
Istapinac.
Istapinac.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Istapinac.
Yes, okay. So, Anne, before we... do we have a question
Yeah.
sa Subiza?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so before we give you, we ask you a
Declare
question
the
about
winner.
Subiza, tell us nga kung ano, kasi we have a topic of the day.
Alright.
Do you have anybody in mind that you are blaming for a certain situation sa buhay mo na probably parang nagkaroon ka ng problema, ganon?
Parang mali naman ata, ma'am, kung may sisisihin ako. Kasi, di ba, yung mga nangyayari sa akin, fault ko rin naman yun.
Ay, ganon. So you don't blame anybody?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, that's good. Oo.
But
what?
you must have undergone a situation
Oo.
wherein you blame something. Hindi man tao, something siguro.
Something, maybe
Your blame
a
story.
thing. Oo. Maybe
Like-
yung computer nasira, hindi ko mo tuloy
Like, for
nakausap
example,
yung sa Skype, mga
Yeah,
ganyan.
exactly.
Siguro yung recent lang kasi
Yeah, hello?
ako. Parang na-allergy ako. Sisi ko yung kinain ko. Yung
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Oh. Yun, oo.
ganun lang po.
Ay, I see.
Sinisingin
No person,
kinain niya.
hindi person, kundi pagkain.
Yeah.
Oo. So next time, careful lang.
Huwag kakain.
Huwag ka kakain.
That's also a subject for blame, di ba? Yeah, it counts.
Oo nga. Oh, yun. Huwag matakaw.
Huwag matakaw.
My gosh. Mas maganda yun. At least, kumbaga, magiging sexy ka pa. Diba?
Exactly.
Sana.
Saan?
Nice answer.
Ay, by the way, Anne, how old are you?
I'm 22.
22 years old.
Uy,
My
hindi
gosh.
tunog 22 ha? Parang 21 lang.
Oo. I have a question. Who is your Valentine? Do you have a Valentine? Do you have a date tomorrow?
Wala eh.
Wala.
Manunod akong volleyball.
Manood yung NCAA.
I think for tomorrow, Jensen Ackles is available, as well as Jared Padalaki.
Oo nga eh.
Ian Somerhalder, hindi na.
Ganito, if you have a choice, who would you want to date? I mean, sino yung pinaka-ideal date mo?
Coco Martin.
Ay, si Coco Martin. Talaga naman, malay mo nakikinig si Coco Martin, marinig ka.
Eh, di ba may Coco Jam na siya?
Nakikinig man siya na nanawagan ako.
Oo, imagine dalawang tickets ng Subisa.
Dalawa, yeah.
Oo.
Exactly. Kailangan may kadate si Ann.
Oo, yayain mo si Coco Martin.
Oo.
Diba?
Nananawagan ako.
Nalawagan.
Nawagan kay Coco Martin, diba? Okay, so we have a question about
Alright.
the Subiza
Before we
contest.
officially declare you the winner of the Subisa Radio Contest, you need to tell us the exact address of Subisa Music Lounge.
Yeah.
Go!
Sa Shivens Resort, number 13, Baloilong Beach, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City.
Yes!
Wow! Congratulations, Anne!
Congratulations!
You won for
Yeah.
yourself two tickets.
Subisa.
Two tickets to Subisa Lounge.
Actually,
For-
gift certificates.
I mean,
Yeah.
sige.
Worth 600
Worth
pesos.
600 pesos.
Yeah. Tag-isa
Yun.
sila ni Mahal.
Ni Coco Martin.
Tag 300 gift certificates sila.
Grabe.
Ayan.
Yung lookalike na lang ni Coco Martin.
May jacket.
Oo. Okay, congratulations, Anne.
Yes.
And paano niya mai-claim yung kanyang ticket, yung kanyang GC?
You can claim it here at the station.
Ayan.
Look for Miss Marian and don't forget to bring an ID. Okay?
Miss Marian.
Yeah,
Miss Marian.
Well, kailangan i-claim nyo na today kasi bukas gagamitin nyo na. Walang office staff tomorrow, Saturday.
Anong oras po kayo?
You have until 4 p.m. to claim it.
Ay, pwede pong mga 5 or 6 kasi galing po akong work.
What time?
Mga 5 or 6 po.
Oh.
Siguro kay DJ Double B natin ipapasa.
Kay Double B na lang.
Yeah.
Oo. Para
Sige.
makita mo rin si Double B in person.
Sige.
Basta po dito lang sa station ha, kung sarado man, kumatok kayo. Pag nakalak, tawagin nyo yung SWAT unit para warakin yung pinto. Para gulatin nyo si Double B.
Okay. Well, congratulations once again, Anne.
Thank you po.
Yes, and
Alright.
what is your favorite radio station, Anne?
89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Okay. Thank you. Good afternoon, and have a nice